Achieving the perfect wedding look is a dream come true for many brides. With the right makeup products, it's possible to create a breathtaking transformation that could easily capture the admiration of 100 million viewers. Stella Beauty Store offers a range of high-quality products designed to help you achieve that flawless look. Welcome to Stella Beauty Channel, your go-to spot for everything related to beauty and skincare. We dive into the latest trends, showcase incredible transformations, and spotlight the people who make the beauty and lifestyle world shine. In today's exciting episode, we're focusing on a jaw-dropping wedding makeup transformation. Get ready to discover how to achieve this stunning look using top-notch products from Stella Beauty Store. Here's a detailed guide on how to use these products to create a wedding makeup transformation that will leave everyone in awe. Number 1. Creating a flawless base. The foundation is the cornerstone of any great makeup look. To start, apply the Moira Complete Wear Foundation to create a smooth and even base. This foundation provides full coverage while maintaining a lightweight feel, making it ideal for all-day wear. It effectively hides imperfections, giving you a perfect canvas to work on. For a more natural, dewy finish with added sun protection, consider the Carmine Ariadne Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 20. This tinted moisturizer not only hydrates the skin, but also protects it from harmful UV rays. It's perfect for achieving a radiant glow while ensuring your skin remains protected throughout the wedding day. Once you've applied your foundation or tinted moisturizer, it's essential to set your base to keep your makeup in place. The organic finishing powder setting helps to mattify the skin and prevent shine, ensuring that your makeup stays fresh and flawless all day. Lightly dust this powder over your face to lock in your foundation and maintain a smooth finish. Number 2. Perfecting the brows and eyes. The eyebrows frame the face and are crucial for a polished look. Start by defining your brows with the exquisite eyebrow pencil. Whether you choose the dark blonde or black pencil, it will help you achieve well-groomed and natural-looking brows. For a more refined and precise finish, the Ultimate Brow Kit provides all the tools you need to shape and fill in your brows for a perfect arch. Moving on to the eyes. The Smoky Eye Palette offers a selection of shades that are perfect for creating a dramatic smoky eye. Begin by applying a base shade across the eyelids. Then use darker shades to define the crease and outer corners of the eyes. Blend the color seamlessly with the eyeshadow applicators for a professional finish. For added drama and sparkle, apply the Glitter Liquid Eyeliners GS along your upper lash line. This glittery eyeliner adds a touch of glamour and makes your eyes stand out. To complete the eye look, use the Impactful Pro TLS Mascara. This mascara is designed to lengthen and volumize your lashes, giving them a full and dramatic effect. For an extra pop, use the eye pencil to line your waterline and enhance the intensity of your eyes. Number 3. Adding color and finishing touches. Once you've perfected your eyes, it's time to add color to your cheeks and lips. The Sky Blue Lucy Sakura Blush and Highlighter Palette is ideal for adding a natural flush and a radiant glow. Apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks for a fresh, youthful look. Use the highlighter on the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, brow bones, and down the bridge of your nose to create a glowing, dewy finish. For your lips, start by exfoliating with the organic chocolate lip scrub Flaky Chapped Lips. This scrub removes dead skin cells and smooths out the lips, preparing them for lipstick application. Follow up with the Maroon Oliver Vanilla Lip Balm, $4, to keep your lips hydrated and soft. When it comes to choosing the perfect lip color, the Art Gallery Matte Lipsticks Nude are a great choice for a classic and elegant look. The matte finish ensures long-lasting wear, so you won't need to worry about touch-ups throughout the day. If you prefer a more vibrant look, consider opting for a bolder shade from the same collection to make a statement. Number 4. Additional tips for a lasting look. To ensure your makeup lasts throughout the day and into the night, consider using a setting spray. Stella Beauty Store also offers excellent setting sprays that can help lock in your makeup and keep it looking fresh. Additionally, don't forget to carry a few touch-up products in your clutch for any quick fixes throughout the event. With the amazing range of products from Stella Beauty Store, creating a stunning wedding makeup look is both achievable and enjoyable. From a flawless base to perfectly defined brows and eyes, and finally, beautiful lips. These products will help you achieve a transformation worthy of 100 million views. Follow this guide to ensure your wedding makeup not only looks beautiful, but also lasts throughout your special day. Embrace the elegance and confidence that comes with using high-quality makeup products, and enjoy your moment in the spotlight. If you're eager to recreate this fabulous wedding makeup look, all the products we've featured today are available at Stella Beauty Store. From the flawless Moira Complete Wear Foundation to the radiant Sky Blue Lucy Sakura Blush and Highlighter Palette, you'll find everything you need to achieve this transformation. For more details and to shop the full range, just check out the link in the description box. Thank you for tuning in to Stella Beauty Channel. We hope you enjoyed today's makeup transformation and found inspiration for your own beauty routine. Remember, the right beauty products and techniques can make a big difference in how you present yourself and how you feel. We're excited to help you on your journey to looking and feeling your best. Stay beautiful and confident, and we'll see you in the next episode.